Effective home remedy for dry, itchy skin, chronic skin dryness. Dry, itchy skin can be a very irritating and uncomfortable condition that often disrupts sleep. To find relief from dry itching, you can try this natural remedy. However, if the condition is persistent or severe, it is important to consult a qualified healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Here's a simple natural remedy you can try. Take approximately 117 grams, about half a cup, of Lodhra, Simplocos racemosa, powder. Add approximately 35 grams, about 2 tablespoons, of mustard oil or Taramira oil, Eruca sativa oil. Mix the powder and oil thoroughly and stir well until you achieve a smooth, ointment-like paste. Apply this herbal paste evenly to your entire body, paying extra attention to the dry and itchy areas. Leave the paste on your skin for 1.5 to 2 hours, and then take a bath or shower with lukewarm water. For best results, apply the paste at night and leave it on overnight. This allows the ingredients ample time to deeply nourish and soothe your skin. Note: this is a natural remedy that may provide relief. However, if your symptoms persist or the dryness is severe, please seek advice from a dermatologist or other qualified medical professional.